Unraveling the Genius of Alexander Pope. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into the captivating world of Restoration and 18th century literature, and spotlight one of its brightest luminaries, Alexander Pope. Pope was an iconic figure whose writings continue to inspire and intrigue readers around the world. So, let's embark on this literary journey. Alexander Pope, 1688 to 1744, was an English poet of the early 18th century. Born in London to Roman Catholic parents, Pope faced many challenges growing up due to anti-Catholic sentiments in England. Despite these challenges, his talent in writing poetry emerged at a young age. Fun fact: Pope was primarily self-educated, a testament to his innate love for literature and his dedication to his craft. The Rape of the Lock. This mock heroic epic is one of Pope's most famous works. Using a light-hearted approach, it satirizes a real-life quarrel among aristocrats. It's an excellent example of how Pope skillfully used wit and humor to comment on the social issues of his time. An Essay on Criticism. A tour de force, this work outlines Pope's views on the art of criticism in poetry. The famous line, "To err is human, to forgive, divine," originates from this piece. An Essay on Man. In this philosophical poem, Pope delves deep into the nature of man, the universe, and the divine. It beautifully captures his beliefs about the larger order of things. Pope's distinctive style and sharp wit left an indelible mark on English literature. His use of heroic couplets, pairs of rhyming iambic pentameters, was influential, setting a trend for many poets who followed. Additionally, his satirical takes on society, politics, and human nature were groundbreaking and established him as a master satirist. Fun fact: despite the controversies that surrounded him, Pope was the first English poet to earn a living solely from his writings and translations. Alexander Pope's legacy is vast. His works remain staples in literature courses worldwide. He is revered not just for his poetic genius but also for his keen observations on humanity. In understanding Pope, we gain insight into the cultural and social tapestry of 18th century England. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Alexander Pope and his indomitable mark on English literature. Through his words, we find humor, wisdom, and a mirror to society. We hope this video has kindled a curiosity in you to delve deeper into the works of this literary giant. Until next time, happy reading!